Imagine your car without entertainment, convenience, safety, or security. Can you? Neither can we. Simply hacking a sound system can turn auto-tune into out-of-tune quickly, or may even cut off your favorite band. Not a big security threat, yet. It could get a lot worse from there. Rely on our cybersecurity solutions to keep their music going. When it comes to safety and security, insecure devices present a major threat. Cyber attacks can result in many effects: hijacking the vehicle, manipulating safety-critical parameters, loss of customer data. It's like sending your customers back decades. A software-defined vehicle uses many different connections and devices in a broad variety of services. All these services are potential security gaps. Pitch-perfect, reliable cybersecurity solutions harmonized with the expertise of over 35 years in the business. Supporting a broad portfolio across all levels. Platform independent with modular design capability. We are more than a service provider. We are a one-stop shop. And we have you covered from the design table through that moment when your customer cries for a new one. Our cybersecurity toolset ensures every day is better connected, safer, more secure, and entertaining. That's how we keep the music playing.